Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about The Eddie. It's a Netflix based series. It was released on 8th May. To be honest, I watched this series only because of Damien Chazelle. He's one of my favorite directors who has directed La La Land and won the Oscar at the age of 32, which is the youngest age. Why to watch the series? The story is about a jazz club owner based in Paris and how he gets tangled with criminals. And as the story follows through, he has to save the club, his friends, and his teenage daughter. It stars Andre Holland and Amanda Sternberg. You might have seen Andre Holland in Moonlight. Moonlight was the best Academy picture in 2016. Andre Holland, he goes right for the emotion. And because this series is about jazz, it reminded me of Whiplash. And Andre Holland has a bit of temper of J.K. Simmons from Whiplash. Amanda Sternberg, she has done the emotional scenes very good. The creator of the series is Jack Thorne. Excellent job done by him. Pure writing. So let's start from direction. The first two episodes have a length of more than 60 minutes, which are directed by Damien Chazelle. And I have no words because the first episode and its ending reminded me of La La Land. And the second was based on his daughter. The next two episodes are directed by Uda Benyamin. And the next two episodes are directed by Laila Marakchi. And the last two episodes are directed by Alan Pohl. I liked Alan Pohl. The finale and the last 20 minutes are very sad and happy also. The main key for the series are the music composers because it's a musical drama series and music was great in the series. It was magical. I like jazz only because of Damien Chazelle. If you watch La La Land, pick any of his movies. So the song which was in the finale performed by Elliot Udo. The character's name, the lead's name is Elliot Udo. He is the owner of the club, and the club's name is the Eddie. The last song, that song performed in the finale was so magical. Music composers are Glenn Bernard and Randy Kerber. And Randy Kerber has one of the roles in the band in the series. Randy Kerber himself, of the pianist. So let's start from direction. Great direction, good producing, good editing. No VFX has been used in the series. Lovely cinematography. You get to see many instruments, learn about them. Not learn, but know about them. They have shown Paris. Informative production design, like the instruments they have shown. It's a very emotional series. Great sound design. So at last I would like you to watch this series because it has very much potential and it's very satisfying, and the ending will leave you like it's a very emotional ending. It has 8 episodes and it's a new story. And at last I suggest you to watch it, and if you like it, let me know. Please subscribe my channel on YouTube, Naren Nawani, and give comments. Till then, take care. Bye.